I found $600 a month hiding in my budget. You will too. $600 gone every month. Stop what you're doing. Right now, there is an average of $600 missing from your monthly budget. It's not stolen, it's not missing. It's just leaking out of 3 specific places that you are ignoring. Leak 1, fixed EXP/NSES. $600. What could you do with that? Pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or finally book that trip. Leak 2, variable spending. I found this money hiding in my own finances, and I'm going to show you the 3 exact leaks in your budget and give you the scripts and strategies to plug them today. Leak 3, the forgotten funds. If you stick around to the end, I'll reveal the single most frustrating mistake people make that guarantees they never find this hidden cash. Let's get to work. Leak 1, the fixed cost trap, the $150 300/month leak. Leak number 1 is the fixed cost trap. These are the bills you pay on autopilot, and they are designed to be forgotten. The subscription killer. Grab your bank statement right now and audit every single subscription. I bet you have 2, maybe 3, you haven't used in 6 months. Action, cancel them immediately. Savings estimate, $50 a month. The negotiation hack. Your phone and internet bills are negotiable. Call them up, tell them you're considering switching providers, and specifically ask for the retention department. Don't ask for a discount, ask what they can do to keep you as a long-term customer. Savings estimate, $40 a month. Action step 3, the annual fee audit. Are you paying for a credit card you rarely use? Or a bank account fee? Call your issuer, tell them you want to downgrade to a no annual fee card, and ask them to waive the fee for this year. Savings estimate, $60 a year or $5 a month. Fix leak plugged. On to leak 2. Recap. That's already $95 a month we've found just by spending 30 minutes on the phone and canceling old streaming services. Leak 2, variable spending scare, the $200 350/month leak. Fixed costs are easy. Variable costs are emotional. We're talking about food, fun, and transport. This is leak number 2. Action step 1. The coffee and lunch tax. The most common variable expense leak is the daily coffee and lunch habit. That $5 latte is $150 a month. I'm not saying stop drinking coffee. I'm saying spend 15 minutes a week preparing your coffee and lunch at home. Action step 2, the grocery game. You're paying a brand premium you don't need to pay. If you switch just 5 major items, like canned goods, cleaning supplies, and paper products, to the store brand, you save an average of 30% on those items. That adds up to $50.75 a month for an average family. Action step 3, the 48-hour rule for impulse buying. This leak isn't just about food, it's about impulse buying. If you see something you want that costs more than $20, apply the 48-hour rule. Put it in the online cart, walk away, and set a reminder for 2 days later. 9 times out of 10, the urge is gone. Variable leak plugged, over $400 found. Recap, by controlling impulsive variable spending and making smarter choices at the grocery store, we've easily found another $250 a month in cash. We are now well past the $300-400 mark. Leak 3, the forgotten funds, the bank's hidden trick. This is the one the banks don't want you to know about. Leak number 3 is the money you are losing by not using a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. If you have $10,000 in a regular checking or savings account, you are earning essentially 0 interest. With an average HYSA rate of 4.5% or 5%, you are losing $450 to $500 a year just by keeping your cash in the wrong place. Action step 1, moving emergency funds. Your emergency fund, your sinking funds, anything you don't need this week, needs to be moved to a HYSA. It's still liquid, still safe, and now it's working for you. The final, worst mistake. And here's the most frustrating mistake that prevents people from ever finding this money. Waiting until the end of the month to budget. Key takeaway: the zero-based budgeting principle. If you wait until the 30th to see what's left over, the answer will always be zero. You have to proactively budget at the beginning of the month. Give every dollar a job before it even hits your checking account. That's how you catch the $600 leak before it even starts. Let's recap the 3 leaks: fixed cost creep, emotional variable spending, and the zero-interest trap. You can start plugging these leaks immediately. To make it even easier, I created a free template that forces you to audit every single one of these expenses. You can grab that link below. If this video helped you find even $100 this month, hit the like button and subscribe for more aggressive finance hacks. Now go find your $600. I'll see you in the next video.